So think order 101. How many quantity orders do we have? Let's go back to this picture again. Here. Was here? No, where was that? No. Here, oh, here. No. PDF, where?
Yeah, it's in PDF.
Where is that thing? Oh. In the browser?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So, notice LED TV. In 101, we have 18 of them, right? So, order 101. And how many items? 18, right? And so, what do I do now? I cannot enter 15. I cannot enter 10, 120, and so on. It's going to create problems. So this is not where this should be.
Intersection entity between order and item.
Basically, the problem comes from this issue. An order has many items in it. An item is ordered many times. Okay? You cannot get out of this problem unless you create that intersection entity. So, what do we do? Take the primary key order number and take item number and create this intersection entity with primary key as combination of the two, and then put the quantity ordered here. So basically what will happen is you're going to have a relationship between this and this table. And I'm going to call it quantity ordered. Or item ordered. That's much better term. Item ordered. Again, do not leave any empty space. If you have more than one field, more than one word, do not leave empty space between item and ordered. Otherwise you trap yourself and then you'll say, what happened? How come it's not working? All right, so we are going to relate this order number from this table to this table. It's going to be one to many. And we are going to have one over here and many here. Okay? And now I have to relate this table to the shipper. An order must have a shipper, right? So I can relate that. So shipper ID is going to be like this. One shipper has many orders, and each order has one shipper. So the story part is important. How many shippers do we have for each order? One. That's it. So a shipper has many orders, right? We can ship it with FedEx 500 times and UPS 1,000 times. So that's the, so how about the customer to order relationship now? An order must have a customer, and customer has many orders. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to put customer number here, and computer can locate the picture like this. Okay? So do I have my flashcard here to see? You want to start creating columns and do it on the paper first. Okay? Do it like this. Don't jump into the computer directly. If you do that, you'll see that you are making mistakes. So the first step in database design is to think about where things go. So if I put Professor Erifoğlu's location into CRM, you saw what happened? So what happens if Professor Erifoğlu changes office?
You gotta change everything.
You have to find out all the courses he's teaching, and you say, hey, what else is he teaching? He's teaching that. But you forgot to put his address properly. So if you have a faculty entity, and faculty's office in there, and faculty changes his address, no problem. All right. So I wish we had a printer here, but okay, let me just see. So what you have to do is create and access database, right? If you have your computer, turn it on. All right. And blank data desktop database. Give a name. I'm going to call that database 5. All right. You can call it anything you want. Right? And I'm going to save this on this desktop. Let me just do it here. Make sure that you know where you are saving. Okay? Otherwise, computer will save someplace and then will say what happened to my database. And so pay attention to where you are saving. I'm saving on my desktop here. So, okay. Now we created database. All right, create. First, create a table for customer. Easy one. And the best way to create through this triangle. Right? Design view. It's called, the computer calls design view. And I'm going to call it cust. My typing is not good, so I'm not going to call it customer. Okay, cust. All right? And customer number is primary key. Automatically, system figures out that the first thing I write is primary key. All right? And we don't want automatic number. Our numbers are 101, 102. What was it? It is 101, 102, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have customer name. And it's going to be a short text. I'm not going to use 255 characters. I think we have about maximum 25 in that. And the next one is the address. All right. And that can go up to 50. All right. And city. Right? Yeah. State. If you want to sort by city, you should have city as separate field. It depends on your need. If you say, I don't care about the city, what's more important is state, that's okay. It's a business decision. So state is short text and 2 characters, right? And zip, even though it's number, I can say text because I'm not going to add multiply. If I want to multiply something with zip code, then I should call it number. If it is not going to be used as for numerical operations, just simply say short text and 5 characters. All right, and what else is in there? Distance. And that's going to be numerical. Okay, that's it. and then you click onto this X on the right hand side, and you want to save changes, yes. Okay, now I open my customer table, I'm ready to enter the names. So 101, what's the name of the 101? Just you give me the number.
Brown,
Let me just minimize this so we can see more than one
22. Customer number should be 22.
here.
Yeah.